Good morning. I am Sriram and my team members is G. Rajesh Kumar and my title is Healthcare for Undeserved Community. Healthcare camps are the only hope for the poor people who cannot afford to pay for expensive treatment or medicine. Therefore, patients should be treated with proper care, love, and respect in camps. First, we need proper data collections. The data of undeserved peoples belong to a particular area are collected by the orphan present in the same area. Um, for instance, we choose data to predict whether the diabetes patients present or not. Um, and this is a project. First, we have installed all the libraries and then install the SA kit for the intellects. After successful install DAL, then we import the pandas as PD and import numpy as NP. Then I have import my file from my system and I have I create the file name as diabetes.csp and using the head function to display the output of the first 5 data sets. Here I am using supervised learning, so the data with outcome and then it is a classification type data set. So I am using this file. Um, this head function show the first 5 file in my data set and the tail function show the last 5 set of files in my data set. And my aim is to predict whether the diabetes patients have or not. And first I have to data analysis, going to the analysis part. In the part we have to drop the null values, check whether the null values are present or not. Then and D F shape, it shows the how many rows and columns, and df info function is used to show the data types. These are the data types and show the entire null values. To check the null values using sum, it will show that is no null values. If present means we will neglect the null values and install the C bond. It's a heat map showing with our attributes. Then my columns, this list of columns are there. Then test and train, have to split the data as test and train using 2 variables. Here I am using x train, y train. I am using 2 variables, futures and target. Then using the algorithm, import the classifiers algorithm, passing the x train and y train to run, then train the algorithm and then test the algorithm whether using the predicted option. Using the classification report, store the output data using this variable. um, using SVM algorithm, and after running this you can get the accuracy nearby 70 percentage. It shows the data, whether the predict the data whether the patients present or not, diabetes patient present or not. Then after that, using decision tree classifier algorithm, and we implementing the variables, and train the algorithm, and after that test the algorithm using a predicted option. 0 or 1 is the predicted option, whether the presence absent means it will represent 0. If the diabetes patient present means it represent 1. So the accuracy is 70.7. and after that I use random forest classifier, and using this test the algorithm using the predicted option, and I am getting the result 72% accuracy at last final. And I use the toolkit, one API toolkit XG boost, and first I train the algorithm, and test the algorithm using the predicted option using the XG boost, and by getting the final accuracy is 72, which is greater when compared to other classifiers. And finally I get the accuracy comparison. SVM represents the SVM with the accuracy of 70, one nearby, and decision tree algorithm 70.7, and random forest algorithm 72, and XGB boost gives 72.7, and while and showing the accuracy comparison, XG boost is greater and compared to others. This is the accuracy comparison of my project, healthcare for undeserved community. Thank you.